So here it's scraping. I'm gonna just change it so this brake pad is not good. The reason it holds it, it's this one here. We have to open up. So this clamp here, this one here, it's rusting from inside, and squeeze this hose. The right method would be probably change this bracket and the hose with it, but I'm gonna open it up. I just put the crowbar here and open it up. But the caliper has to be changed. I noticed it doesn't wanna, when I hit the brakes, it doesn't wanna release the brake until after 10-15 seconds. So it's hard to get running again or driving. So, and this is the issue. I have another expedition that had the same issue. I bought a new brake line, a brake hose on that one, but now I'm gonna open it up. This may save me a couple of dollars. You see here, there's nothing left, obviously. This one needs to be, you can see this one is done. So we need to replace that one. Let's see how the other one is. It's better, but this one is a little bit better. This tells me these are not good. Yeah, it seems to be good. I'll take it out. It's fine. So let's change that. I'm gonna change the disc. This one has like this. Same here. So here, I'm gonna open it up because it's quite bad. This one there. This one there. Put the rotor here and just push it out. Let's see what happened. Now this is much easier to squeeze in. Little by little. Push the powder in. Goes out.